Semi-annual maintenance. Before proceeding, ensure the air and power are locked out. Once confirmed, check jaw alignment. Open the guard door and remove all gripper rubber. Manually close the seal bar and review that the front and back jaw close tightly with no gap. Check the squareness of the vertical gripper extrusion. Second, check backup rubber and H-channel for wear. Replace if needed. Loosen the bolts from the solid jaw that secure the backup assembly. Remove the assembly. Check for wear on all materials. An example would be to check the sponge rubber to see if it retains its natural spring. Replace necessary items as needed. Then replace the assembly and tighten the bolts. Third, check the seal bar and jaw close cylinders to ensure the cylinder body is tight. There should be no play in the cylinder mount. Lastly, check that the seal bar extends and retracts smoothly. Push and pull the heater junction box. It should move smoothly. If it does not, the seal bar cylinders are not set correctly. Instructions for setting the stroke distance of the seal bar are located in the operations manual.